there's a big sea change in the world of employment law and in Texas and nationwide. And the cause of it is that millennials are taking over. Uh, Lawyers who are part of the boomer generation are retiring, semi-retired, or they have passed on. Many of my mentors have stopped practicing law. The people that were involved in some of the biggest cases within the last 20, 30 years in employment law are no longer in the practice. So what you have is you have a bunch of millennials and you have a bunch of Generation X like me, lawyers in their 40s and 50s. And so we're taking the mantle. So if you look around, we're it. Us, we are probably the most senior attorneys out there right now, lawyers in the 40s and 50s. So when you talk to an employment lawyer and you kind of see their age, then you know that they're probably the pinnacle of law practice right now. You're not going to find any better because the more experienced lawyers have retired. And this is kind of funny because I look really young for my age. When I started practicing law, people always asked me how old I was. They thought that I didn't have enough experience, and now I do have the experience. But what the cool thing is that millennials who are becoming lawyers, who are entering the practice, they care less about money and prestige. They care more about their health, their freedom, their personal time, quality of life. And I think that's good for law practice because it means that lawyers are not trying to outwork each other, trying to file things at the last minute on Fridays, making lawyers work on weekends. So partners are adjusting to the demands of millennials coming into the work market. But just you wait, when the Zoomers come in and become lawyers, they are more socially conscious and they are, if you look at it as social justice warrior, a lot of them are Zoomers. It's going to make the workplace a lot better and the law practice a lot better. Okay, back to work.